Hello everybody, it is Origami Gamer, and I would like to show you my newest origami tutorial. I am not quite sure if you call this model a flying model. It is incredibly unpredictable. I wouldn't even call it a stunt plane. It's not meant to fly, it's meant to look cool. It will be the F-22 Raptor F-35 Lightning hybrid. So, you start by folding it in half along the center crease. You then take this edge, fold it over. I recommend using notebook paper. (8.5 by 10-inch notebook paper to be precise. Stop when you're about that far from the edge. Open, unfold, and repeat on the other side. And open up. You then flip the paper over, bring these points to these points, folding it in half along the intersection in a mountain fold. This step is optional. However, if you know what you're doing, this step is optional, so you don't have to do this if you don't want to. It just makes the next step easier, where we collapse the paper to form a water bomb base, to form a short sheeted water bomb base. See, it's not complete. Part of it still sticks out. So we take this, fold these 2 points to these 2 points, make a pinch, bring that pinch mark that you made right here to this point, and make sure this center crease right here lines up with this center crease. Before you fold solidly, and then bring this edge to this edge. Fold this edge to the center. And mirror fold using this side as a guide. Flip the plane over, fold this tab over, fold this edge to the center, and mirror fold using this side as a guide. Alright, so you got your base here. This is where things are gonna get a little bit tricky. So, start by folding out the wing about that much. Go back, it should look like that. Mirror fold using the other side as a guide. It should look like this. Next, we flip this open, and we fold out like this. Be sure this edge remains parallel to this edge. and mirror fold using this side as a guide. Then fold in quite substantially, meeting these two edges together for almost the entire time, except at the very top. Flip it over, you should get something like this. Now mirror fold using this side as a guide. Alright, we're getting good. So, now open this up. Still keep this edge parallel to this edge when folding. About there. And then mirror fold. Now we then take this point and fold it in slightly. Make a wing shape that looks like that. And we repeat this on the other side. Just folding like that, and then reversing the fold. Checking for alignment issues. There are none here. And you get the wing shape. So it's looking good so far. You now take this edge right here and fold it. Actually, not really fold it. Pull it down. So you open up a pocket here. Make a straighter line right here. And repeat on the other side. To get this. Now you take this pocket, open it up, repeat on the other side. And you may think you're done, and that's where you'd be wrong. There's still some contouring to do. So, with a vertical stabilizer, you fold it like this so it reaches a sharp point. Fold this tip down. And using this side as a guide, mirror fold. Should look something like this. Unfold these creases. Inside reverse this little tip right here. And tuck that tab into there. So it looks like that. And repeat this process on the other side. to finish off the vertical stabilizers. Now the horizontal stabilizers, you fold this back like such, and fold this corner in. Simply taking this point to this point. Fold the corner in a little bit. Unfold those two, fold the corner in, redo this fold, and repeat on this side. Now if you want it to look more like the actual... Now here's where it diverges. You can make it look more like the Lightning or the Raptor, depending on which of these two you choose. You could unfold these. And fold this tip in slightly, somewhat. Get a Lightning, or you can fold the tips in somewhat lesser amount. Fold the tips in actually about half as much. Inside reverse them. And do a swivel fold. If we pull some more of this out, you repeat that on the other side. And we get a more Raptor-like plane. I'm sticking with the Raptor plane, but if you want to do the Lightning, fold in inside reverse twice as much as the tip, and do not swivel fold. Next comes the jet fold. You want to start the break point just in front of these little two tips here. Make sure it's nice and wide before creasing, and starting from this little tab right here going all the way to the back edge, you fold. Not the back edge, the very back point. It's a little hard to land there. Mirror fold. And you're done. I'll be back with the more Lightning-like plane. Here's what the plane would look like if you took a more Lightning-like approach to the plane itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next one. Origami Gamer, out.